Hi friends, good morning. This is Subramani. In this video, I am going to explain how to send bulk mails. This is very useful for business people and service people who are willing to send more than 50 and 100 emails at single click. The first column is recipient name. Here, that is as you wish, whatever the name you can fill. The second column B is email address. You have to fill the correct email address in this column. Column C subject. Subject whatever you wish. Here body. I have entered the body as your email, your order is confirmed and material will be delivered within 4 days. So whatever is you wish you can. Actually, it is basically useful for online orders. Some people will make orders and they will fill their names and email addresses. Okay, so that you can all export into this Google Sheet that email address and names, and the subject and email body is your own. Okay, once you fill all these details, just click send mail. Once I click it, see finished all mails from the list. Okay, now I want to check whether the email is delivered or not. Okay, so go to here. Now I am going to check recipient address, whether this mail has been dispatched or not. I'm going to mail here, and see here I got the mail here regarding order. I Subramani order has been confirmed and material will be dispatched in 4 days. So this mail is successfully delivered to all. Thank you for watching this video. In this video, I am giving the link to get this Google Sheet in the description. Okay, don't forget to share and share with your people, and please like and subscribe my videos. Bye bye, tata.